Last time on Travel with NJ, Steve, and Sue, we ate like locals in Monterey, California. So what you see in front of you is calamari steak, which is a big piece of calamari and eggplant on top with a little... That was great, but you know, sometimes it's best to make your seafood dinners at home, and that's what we're doing tomorrow. All right, so eating out has been great and the seafood has been fantastic, but there's nothing better than going down to the Monterey Fish Market and getting the fish right off the boat, and that's what we're doing today.
And I'll make my famous stuffed calamari if they have it at the fish market.
I hope they do. Sue makes a great stuffed calamari. It's the best. We headed back to Wharf number 2. At the end of the wharf is the fish market. Okay, we're here at the Monterey Fish Market. Go inside and see what we can find. Hopefully we can get some squid. So we're in luck. They have fresh squid right here. They give you a bag and a glove and you help yourself. And there's plenty of other fish here, as you can see. Sue's getting some shrimp now for the stuffing of the squid. Now these squid are whole, with the eyes and the head, but the woman at the store showed us how to clean them, and we'll show you when we get back to the house. All right, so we got some cioppino sauce. What's that, a pound or two of oysters? Pound or two of oysters. Mussels, about a pound of mussels. And a pound of squid.
And
shrimp. Half a pound of shrimp or so. And the total price was $29. And it all came fresh from the sea. Now we just had to cook it. Now these squids have not been cleaned, but we were shown how to do it at the seafood store. Let's see if we remembered anything. All right, so this is how the squid came from the seafood store, and you have to somehow get the head off and then take the skin off, and there's a cartilage inside that you got to pull out too. So we're gonna look at some videos, because I don't remember what the woman said in the store. I have no idea, but you can see the eyes. So we're gonna have to work on this, and then we'll show you what we learned. All right, this is what we learned. Here's the squid. First thing is take out the body and the head. They said hold the tail and pull.
On the cutting board.
No, just there. And this part you get rid of. Now, you can cut off the tentacles and use those if you want to eat them, but we're not going to eat them this time. So he's going to go in here. And then it said grab, there's like a backbone. It's like a cartilage. Grab that and gently pull it out. You don't eat this. So get rid of that.
Can that go down?
I don't know if it goes in the sink. And then it said you got to peel it. The skin, you can leave the skin on the outside, but most chefs will take it off. Just peel off the skin with your fingers and you'll be good to go. Then you can take off the wings too. You can eat these if you want, but we're gonna pull them off if we can get them off. There we go, there's one. And there's number 2 coming off, kind of. And after all that work, this is what happened. All right, then there might still, whoops. Oh, I lost it. It went down the sink. It's gone. That's not how you do it. It's gone. Oh.
It's not gone, it's in your garbage.
Well, I'm not gonna eat that one.
I know, but you just can't leave it up. Can't leave it in there.
Well, you're gonna use it. You're gonna put it down the garbage disposal.
Now, if you don't drop yours, this would be the last step. All right, one surefire way to get the innards out after you've pulled it out is just kind of run your fingers along this way, and it kind of like extra stuff that's in there will come out, and you can pull it out that way. And then you can rinse it a little more. Now let's check out what's going on the other side of the kitchen. All right, so we got some oysters going on over here. And the hardest part is chucking them. These are big.
Shucking.
So, chucking, how do you do it?
Shucking.
How do you chuck it?
So you have to get a special shucking knife. And then you look on the oyster, you try to find the hinge. You have to like shove it in. And you pop it. And you work the sides.
Wow.
And you pop the oyster out.
But when you did it the first time, it was pretty hard, wasn't it?
Yeah.
A lot of work.
Blister on my hand.
Got a blister from it doing it? Wow. And then you put, what are you doing now? So you put them in a pan?
So you put them in a cast iron pan because we're going to do oysters Rockefeller. And you add a mixture of butter, parsley, salt, and pepper, and a little bit of breadcrumbs. And then you broil it in the oven for about 5 minutes. And then hopefully it'll come out as some delicious oysters that are kind of cooked, still a little wet, and it should taste really good.
All right, we'll see how this comes out. We'll try it in a little bit. So after 5 minutes in the broiler, this is how they look. Wow.
Oysters Rockefeller.
Excellent. All right, next step is we're gonna make the stuffing for the squid. Sue's clean the shrimp. Then mix breadcrumbs, garlic, egg, and pieces of shrimp into a bowl. All right, so now we add a little parsley. That's the green that you see in there. And now it's time to stuff the bodies. Here we go. So it's just a simple procedure. Just take your mixture, open them up, and stuff them. How's that going to fit in there?
I need a little spoon.
Oh, a little spoon. So do with a little spoon. Or your hands.
My hands are clean.
Let's hope so. There we go.
Yes.
We're stuffing those babies. Look at that. And then you'll tie off just the one end, correct, with string? Mm-hmm. And then fry them. Then put them in sauce. Yum, yum. And as we say in the kitchen here, tie them and fry them. We tied the open ends of the squid bodies and they were ready to go. Next, saute for about 5 minutes. Then add some wine. Then add some more. Then add your sauce. We're using the cioppino sauce we bought this morning. So you let it simmer in the sauce for how long? 30 minutes. So about 30 minutes. So let it simmer in the sauce for about 30 minutes. Look and see how these squid are coming along. Oh, look at that. Whoa, does that look good? So at the very last minute, we're going to make the mussels because they only take about 5 minutes to cook. So we poured chicken broth into the pan with the mussels.
And there's already onions and garlic and...
So onions and garlic already
butter,
in there? And butter. Onions, garlic, parsley, and butter. And then bring it to a boil?
Yeah.
Okay. So how's it looking?
That's looking good.
Let's take a look.
Just about ready.
Just about ready, yeah. Sauce. We got the squid in sauce. We got the macaroni. And we got the mussels. All right, so that completes our California adventure. Hope you enjoyed the videos. We're going to eat this delicious meal from the sea. And until next time, safe travels.
Bon appetit!
Cherubin alla vittoria, alla gloria militar, alla gloria militar.
Now that's a local secret.
Gloria militar.